G'day, it's Chris speaking from Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. I've been a tiler for 35 years and I'd like to show you the progress we're doing, or I'm doing, on this tiling job I'm doing, bathroom and the main floor area. I'm starting off this morning with this row, and what I need to do is trim my clips like this so they fit under nicely. So we'll do a few of them. I'll show you. It's only where I come against a row that's already glued down. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So then that fits under there like that, because the glue is fairly close to the edge. Sometimes I might be able to get under, but not very often. So you need to trim them. So I'll do a few. When you're doing this sort of thing, there's no fear of cutting your finger off. These blades, the worst they do is burn your finger, so it'll hurt a bit, but it won't cut it off. Not like a circular saw. I'm going to be doing into the kitchen today. I've been discussing that with the owners, so they may have to get takeaway tonight, but that's no biggie. But depending on the cut, they still might be able to walk around. I'm not sure yet. And then I'll put the cuts in tomorrow. We'll see. If I'm able to do it all at once, and then they just have one night of inconvenience, I'll be trying to do that. But today's Thursday, they'll definitely be able to use the kitchen for the weekend. All good. How many do I need? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. Oh, heaps. What I'm trying to do is show people everything, but it's for the DIY, it's a little bit tricky because I've been doing this so long. a part that you may be interested, I miss out because I sort of think it's trivial. If there's anything that you want me to go back over, just let me know and I'll do that easily. So if there's something you'd like me to show you again, easy. The doggies are woofing this morning. Cool, eh? You always do that. Keep it away. Keep your glue away from your edge. Move that over. Try and get the same texture in your glue every time. Every time you mix up another pot of glue, you want to be the same all the time. When I used to have apprentices, they would until they learnt, you'd have one bucket of dryer and one bucket of runny, and but once they got it, that's what is very important. Your glue is the same texture. Your DIYs, same runniness or texture. Felt a bit of glue there. That's got to go. I'll go over that again. Always try and keep your trowel upright as much as you can to get that full 12 mil. There's glue right to that edge. I can't. I'll try another one. I can't seem to get my. Oh, yeah, that's better. It clicked in then. Because I'm putting these tiles against dry ones, I've got to be careful not to creep. I've always got to keep an eye on those lines. One more and then I'll turn the camera off so you don't get bored. I'm still down on my knees. I'm not up and down like a jack-in-the-box. Okay, everyone, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. press the bell, and we'll see you soon. Bye.